Hello everyone, Steve Hirsch here again from Steam Pro. Today we're going to talk about the different cleaning processes that we have for your fabrics and upholstery.
At Steam Pro, we offer top-of-the-line upholstery cleaning services. Our trained professionals also come with years of fabric cleaning and customer service experience, making us the most reliable upholstery cleaners in the Denver area. We use a 4-step process for upholstery cleaning, and we can guarantee that our system will leave your furniture spotless. Our first step is to conduct a walkthrough to evaluate the upholstery and determine the best technique to remove stains safely without damaging the fabric. We will then pre-test a patch of the fabric to ensure the technique is effective in removing the stains and the colors don't bleed. Once we determine that the cleaning technique is appropriate, we will spot treat the heavily stained and damaged areas. Using our state-of-the-art truck-mounted units and upholstery cleaning tools, we carefully extract the broken down soils and stains using soft water steam and suction. Since we use conditioned water, your fabrics will feel soft rather than hard and crusty. All of our products are natural and 100% safe for use around children and pets. Our products are biodegradable and citrus-based, so they will leave your upholstery not only looking great, but smelling like new. Call us or visit us online to book your appointment with a Steam Pro professional today.